So I spent most of my adult career in advertising, and the experience I gained from that field was actually really helpful to understanding dating dynamics and women. And every great advertisement ever has an amazing headline. It's the first piece of a great advertising. Some of the best headlines of all time include, "They laughed when I sat down to play at the piano, but when I started to play. Do you make these mistakes in English? How a fool stunt made me a star salesman." Now, these simple headlines, what's their goal? What's the goal of each one of them? Is it to make a sale? To build a lifelong fan of a brand? Hell no. The goal of any great advertising headline is simply to get the reader curious enough to read the next line, the next piece of advertising copy, the next sentence. That's it. The curiosity phase of the system is pretty much the same. Your only goal is to get her curious enough to continue talking to you. So as you read through this section, always keep that simple goal in mind. You're just trying to get your foot in the door with her. Keep in mind that many times the curiosity stage starts before you even meet her. It starts the first time she ever notices you, and that can actually happen from afar. And when you do the things I outlined in the early part of this book, practicing your confidence secrets, embodying the traits of a man who women chase, knowing exactly what you want, well, that's going to have a powerful subconscious effect on a woman, an effect that's going to make her notice you a lot more often than before, and it's going to make her curious about you. So use those sections in combination with the resources I'm going to give you, and you'll have this deadly combination of getting on girls' radar. More and more girls will take notice of you. Girls that you thought were out of your league will begin to give you eye contact. And when you get good enough at this stuff, don't be shocked if attractive women eventually start approaching you.